What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're going to talk about pulling stakes. The first thing you should know about pulling stakes is if you're using what I use, a manual stake puller, be prepared to sweat. So that's why I'm showing you this video with me sweating, because this is the real deal. What I have here is a manual stake puller. You can get them from farm equipment companies, or if you want to pay a little bit more, you can get them from tent companies. And you'll see here, they have two different sizes. This is for the bigger stakes and this is for the smaller stakes. And basically all that you have to do is just pump them up. Sometimes it's a little bit harder, sometimes it's a little bit easier. So let's go get into it. So you just put it around the stake here and you just pump. And it just pulls it up. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.